good day, my viewer. Today, I will just be taking you through how to create or get JAMB profile code and also how to retrieve JAMB profile code. Now, the retrieving aspect is for those that have written JAMB in the past, maybe last year or 2 years ago, and they want to write it again this year. And perhaps they have forgotten how to the profile code. So they will have need to retrieve it back for them to be able to commence the registration. So the importance of the profile code is for the registration. Without the profile code, you can't do JAMB UTME registration. So I'll put you through how you can go about it and how you can generate that 10 numbers for your registration. Now, for you to generate JAMB profile code, these are the things you have to do. Like I said here, the JAMB profile code is a 10 unique digit number you must have before registering for the JAMB examination. You will submit this number at the CBT center for your registration. So that means this code is what you need for your registration. Without it, you cannot register for JAMB. So the first thing you have to do is to get your national identification number, which is NIN for your JAMB registration. NIN is very important. This started 2 years ago that whosoever that wants to register for JAMB must have NIN number. And you can register for your NIN, you can get your NIN at any of the NIMC office very close to you. So that is very, very important. So you get your NIN number. Now, after getting your NIN number, the next thing you have to do is you type, you take your phone. The SIM that should be in your phone is the SIM that you use for your NIN, the SIM you use to register for your NIN. So that is what you are going to use for your JAMB. So if now to send a message, you will you will take your phone, you will go to where the message where you can send message. Now the next thing you do is to type NIN space, you leave a space, and you type your NIN number. You can see that on the screen. So once you have done that, you send it to 55019 or 66019. Any of the two is the number you're going to send your NIN and the number too. Now, there's another way you can actually go about it. Before that, after you have sent that number, you will now receive your JAMB profile code. So you type this in the message, and you send to either 55019 or 66019. Now, the next thing you have to do, or you can do, is through the use of the USSD. That is to just die on your phone, star 55019 star 1 star your NIN number, or you put hash, don't forget to put hash, or you die star 66019 star 1 hash your NIN number hash to get your 10 digit JAMB profile code, and you'll be charged for 50 naira. So either you use message or you use your USSD, you'll be charged 50 naira. So, but I normally advise people to do that maybe probably early in the morning, maybe like 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. or probably late at night or like something like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. Because there are not much congestion. So many people do have problem creating their JAMB profile code. And to avoid that, just do it when there is no congestion. And also make sure that you use the same that is registered, that you use to register your NIN. So the next one that I will discuss is how to retrieve JAMB profile code. This is for those that have written JAMB maybe last year or 2 years ago and they want to write JAMB this year. So they have already generated their JAMB profile code, but maybe probably have lost it or they have forgotten it. All they just have to do is just to open the text message app on their phone, enter 55019 or 66019 as a text receiver. You send, you type resend, type resend, that's the message, and you send your text message. So you will now receive the profile code again. So that is, you open your text message, the text message app on your phone, you type resend, capital letter, you send it to 55019 or 66019, and after you have done that, you will receive your JAMB profile code. So thank you for watching this little tutorial on how to retrieve your JAMB profile code. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share to other candidates that wants to write JAMB this year, that wants to register for JAMB UTME this year.